Then next we go to the phloem tissue. So these are the structure. So this one also as the yang in exam dia akan keluar structure macam ni. Okay, so phloem cells also contain 4 type of cells. Sifted component cell, fiber, and parenchyma. So fiber and parenchyma are same as the xylem one. Just the main component is the sifted and component cells. Okay, so what are the sifted? So we'll see that the sifted is you look like more dia macam xylem besar kan, tapi bukan. Don't imagine it is xylem besar. The function is totally tak sama. Because it is living cells. Sifted is living cell. Xylem besar is dead cell. So sifted is elongated living cells that only contain primary cell wall. And then sifted is cell is long tail and narrow that are joined end to end to form the sifted. Okay, so you see here, sifted is like that, and you see kalau awak tengok ni sifted element lah ini, yang lebih tebal sikit is the sifted element. Yang ni adalah component cell. Yang ni parenchyma, yang ni component cell. Yang ni component cell. Yang ni both is parenchyma. Okay, so sifted is lack in nucleus, ribosome, vacuole, and cytoskeleton. So that is why if you see here, you can see like it looks similar to xylem besar because also lack of in nucleus. But you take again, it is the living cell, not same as the xylem besar because it is the living cell. And then the end of the between cis plate is called sieve plate. So it have the sieve plate also. Sieve plate at here. Then sieve plate is the pores that facilitate the flow of the nutrient from one to one cell along the tube. The major role of the sieve tube is to transport the organic compound to whole part of the protein. So the xylem is to transport water, and xylem besar is to transport water and mineral ion. For sieve tube is to transport organic compound lah. Like glucose molecule, and other organic compound, sucrose, galactose, all this. Okay, so these are the phloem function, sifted. So you see here, see this structure. So you see here, sifted element is arranged like this, rectangular shape one, long and narrow here, and then at the end of the tube contain the sieve plate. So it is so component cell. So component cell is located at the side of the sieve tube. They are located at the side of the sieve tube, but either this side or this side lah, sama aja. So it is located to the sieve tube element by numerous plasmodesmata. So there are plasmodesmata here. So it also has the thin primary cell wall, and it is elongated and narrow cells. It contains nucleus, ribosome, and mitochondria to provide energy to the sieve tube element. So compared to the xylem besar, xylem besar is just transport water and also mineral ion. So if you want to transport that, actually does not require much energy. It is very easy to transport. But for the organic nutrient, it is more hard to transport if no energy. Kalau tak ada energy, memang tak boleh transportnya. So this component cell is to provide the energy to the sieve tube element so that sieve tube can transport all the organic nutrients. Okay, and also it also helps to load the sugar into the sieve tube element that later will be transported to other part of the body. So it also can load the nutrient. So the malfunction is to more function of the component cell is to help sieve tube to transport nutrient lah. Okay, so this is the component cell. So you see here, component cell is very small compared to sieve tube. So you see the sieve tube element is very big one, more big, very bigger compared to the component cell. Component cell is just very small, and then it has the nucleus one. Sieve tube element does not have any nucleus. Dia pun tube kan, dia memang tube punya, tube punya. Tapi component cell is more smaller and have the big nucleus. Okay, next is about parenchyma cells. So parenchyma cell normally is located at the outer part. Xylem, component cells will be tightly located at the side of the sieve tube. But component cell is more outer part of the phloem from the sieve tube. So normally it's only present in dicotyledon plants, and it is also living cells, spherical cell shape. So this one is the same as the structure of parenchyma cell, and it has the large central vacuole, also same. And the main function is to store food substance and help to transport organic compounds. So it is just also helping also. So because parenchyma cell contain large vacuole, right? You know that it contains a very large vacuole, so it can store all the organic compound at there. And once what is stored, so it can transport this organic compound to the sieve tube, and the sieve tube will help to transport to other part lah. Okay, another this one is fiber. So sorry, tak po fiber cell, not parenchyma. Fiber cell. So it is dead cell. Fiber cell is one of the parenchyma, right? So it's dead cell. It's thick, dignified secondary cell, roughly spherical, no air space, and the main role is provide mechanical support to phloem, also protect the plant. So normally just same function from the parenchyma lah. Okay, so fiber normally is located very more outer from the parenchyma. Compare dia tak akan near to the sieve plate kerana dia provide support tak akan dekat dalam. So memang dia nak dekat dekat paling apa? Very outermost is located at the outermost part one. Tak akan dekat dalam